Hi, hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to write some VBA that will enable you to run a macro to remove any decimal places from your numbers. Personally, when I'm looking at financial reports, I don't like to see the cents, I only like to see the dollars, so if you're using it for a similar purpose, it might be useful. And while you can go into the cell formatting and change the formatting of the cells, that takes a few steps. If this is something you're doing all the time, you might find it easier just to go to the bar at the top and run your macro, or even create a button on your screen to use to run the macro. So let's get started. We'll go to the Visual Basic Editor, insert the module, and we'll call it, let's call it RemoveDecimals. Okay, sub RemoveDecimals. And the first thing we'll do, again, is define the dimensions. Okay, so we've got the double function and the long function, and we'll just define the range that we're using. Okay, so for each range, in the selection, the range value, the int is short for integer, so the value is going to be an integer in the range, and we'll put in the format, number format, and it's going to be equal to 0. Okay, so no 0 decimal places. Then we'll put in the loop so it keeps going through the whole selection, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Okay, so put some numbers in here. Okay, and take them to 2 decimal places. Select them. Run the macro. It'll remove the decimals. So there you go. That's how it's done. Thanks for watching.